What if I told you that you could make any woman chase you, even if she wasn't interested at first? Most men believe they have to pursue women relentlessly, shower them with attention, and prove their worth. But that's a mistake. In reality, the secret lies in making her feel that you are the prize. Women don't chase men who are overly available or desperate. They chase men who have something rare: confidence, mystery, and a deep understanding of human psychology. In this video, I will break down exactly how you can flip the script and become the man she can't stop thinking about. Follow these principles, and you'll find that attraction is no longer something you chase, it's something you naturally create. Chapter 1. The Power of Scarcity. Less is more. One of the most fundamental principles in psychology is that people value what they can't easily have. If you make yourself too available, a woman won't feel the urgency to pursue you. Think about luxury brands. Why do people go crazy over limited edition items? Because they're rare. The same principle applies to human attraction. The mistake most men make is giving too much attention too soon. When a woman knows she has you wrapped around her finger, she loses interest. Instead, you must create an air of mystery, respond less frequently to messages, be unpredictable, and focus on your own life. This will make her feel like she needs to work for your attention, not the other way around. By positioning yourself as someone with options and high value, you shift the dynamic. The moment she feels like she might lose you, she will start investing more in you. Chapter 2. Mastering Non-reactive confidence. Confidence isn't about bragging or being loud. True confidence is about being non-reactive. A woman wants a man who is emotionally strong, who doesn't get easily affected by external factors. If she tests you, ignores you, or tries to make you jealous, the worst thing you can do is react emotionally. Instead, remain calm and unbothered. Show her that your self-worth isn't dependent on her approval. Women are naturally drawn to men who are grounded because it signals strength and stability. Non-reactive confidence also means setting boundaries. If a woman disrespects you, you don't need to argue or explain yourself. You simply walk away. The ability to walk away is one of the most powerful things you can do to make her chase you. Chapter 3. Becoming a high-value man. The fastest way to make women chase you is to become a man of undeniable value. This means developing yourself in multiple areas: financially, emotionally, physically, and intellectually. Women are attracted to men who have a vision, who are on a mission, and who are constantly improving. Most men focus solely on impressing women, but that's the wrong approach. Instead, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Build your career, stay fit, cultivate skills, and develop an interesting life. When a woman sees that you are a man with purpose, she will naturally want to be part of your world. Chapter 4. The Art of Subtle Indifference. Indifference is a psychological weapon. The moment you show a woman that you are completely fine with or without her, she starts craving your attention. This doesn't mean being cold or rude. It means not being overly attached to the outcome. Women are used to men trying too hard. When you are different, when you show that you're okay with walking away, she will wonder why. And the moment she starts wondering about you, you've already won half the battle. A powerful technique is mirroring her level of interest. If she texts you, wait before replying. If she cancels plans, don't chase her. Simply move on with your life. Over time, she will realize that she has to invest more in you, or she might lose you. Chapter 5. The Magnetic Pull of Mystery. Most men overshare. They feel the need to explain everything, to justify themselves, to impress women with stories. But mystery is far more attractive than predictability. When a woman doesn't fully understand you, She will want to know more. Instead of revealing everything at once, keep certain aspects of your life unknown. Drop hints about interesting things you do, but don't explain them fully. This will make her curious, and curiosity leads to attraction. Chapter 6. Creating emotional roller coasters. Women are drawn to emotions. A man who can make her feel excitement, surprise, and anticipation will always have an advantage over the guy who is predictable. This doesn't mean playing games, it means creating memorable experiences. Be spontaneous, take her to unexpected places, challenge her opinions in conversations. Keep things exciting, and she will associate those emotions with you. Once a woman feels emotionally engaged, she won't want to let go. Chapter 7. Social proof and pre-selection. Women are naturally attracted to men who are desired by others. If she sees that other women find you attractive, her perception of you will change. This is called pre-selection. You don't have to be a celebrity to use this principle. Simply having a strong social circle, being respected by others, and showing that you have options will make her see you in a different light. Women want men who have status, even if that status is just within a small community. Chapter 8. The ultimate mindset shift. Becoming the prize. Everything comes down to mindset. The men who are chased by women don't see women as the ultimate goal. They see themselves as the prize. This means you never put any woman on a pedestal. You see yourself as someone she should be lucky to be with, not the other way around. This doesn't mean arrogance. It means having high standards. When you carry yourself as someone who has options, who values himself, and who refuses to tolerate anything less than respect, women will naturally gravitate towards you. Conclusion. Attraction isn't about chasing, it's about positioning yourself in a way that makes women chase you. By applying these principles, you flip the dynamic. You become a man of value, someone who is desired, respected, and sought after. Remember, the key is not manipulation, but self-improvement. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the right women will naturally come to you. When you adopt this mindset, you'll never have to chase again, because the right people will always chase value.